Alright, so remember what we talked about. We have proved parallelograms in 4 ways. If the opposite sides are congruent, they're a parallelogram. If the opposite angles are congruent, it's a parallelogram. If the diagonals bisect each other, it's a parallelogram. And there's one more. The one more is if one side is both congruent and parallel, then it's a parallelogram. So if you'll notice, there's 4 problems here. I bet one of these is for each of those. Looks like this one is to prove the opposite sides congruent. So let's plug in x. 3x down here is 21. X plus 14, 7 plus 14 is also 21. So these sides are congruent, right? And I think this is 5y minus 4. If I plug in y, 20 minus 4 is 16. This is 2y plus 8. That's 16 as well. So we have opposite sides are congruent. That is one of our methods. We're going to say yes because the opposite sides are congruent. All right. I'll say opposite sides congruent. Look, this one's proving opposite angles congruent. So let's try it out. Let's plug in 11 for z. Looks like this one's z. That's 99 plus 19, 109, 118 by the look of it. And this is 11z, so 121. I think that's, well, did I do that wrong? 99 plus 19 is 118 for sure. What is this? 11 times 11, 121 minus 31. Well, this one is not going to be congruent. So I can already tell, no, this is only 90 degrees. Since these don't match up, we're going to say no. Assuming I'm reading that right, and it looks like I am, say no. Opposite angles, not congruent. I'm not going to test that one because it's already a no. So I'm coming down here. It looks like this guy's trying to prove, so this is the one that we didn't do the proof on, we just had it listed, right? Opposite sides are congruent. Let's test that out first. If I plug in 2.4, that's got to be a plus 12 there. So 2.4 over here, that's 7a. What do we got? 28, carry the 2, 14, 16.8. Let's see if we get this. 2 times this is 4 point. That's also 16.8. So we know one opposite side is congruent. If these slopes are the same, then they're parallel as well. So B's 9, so that's 81 plus 25. 81 plus 25 is 106. And it looks like 10B, which is, I'm going to assume that's a plus 16, because that's 90 plus 16 is also 106 degrees. So we're going to say yes. One opposite side is congruent and parallel. And here we go. See if the diagonals bisect each other. So this one, x is 6, so 12, this is 14. X is 6, that's 24 minus 10 is 14. Well, this one sure is bisected. Y is 3.5, so let's see if we can do 3.5. 3.5 times 6 is 30, carry the 3, 21 plus 1 is 24. We'll see if this one's 24. 3.5 times 8 is 40, carry the 4, 24, 28. Minus 6, well, I think that's 22. So unless I did the math wrong, then we're going to say no with this one. And it looks like we are done. And we're going to stop there, talk about the math tomorrow, and you guys have a wonderful day. See ya.